Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today is Thursday, 17th December 2020. It's our English period. Start with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Okay, students, tell me how many days in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Revised days of week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, do spelling with me. S-U-N sun, D-A-Y day. Sunday, M-O-N D-A-Y day. Monday, T-U-E-S Tues, D-A-Y day. Tuesday, W-A-D wet, N-E-S nest, D-A-Y day. Wednesday, T-H-U-R-S Thurs, D-A-Y day. Thursday, F-R-I fry, D-A-Y day. Friday, S-A-T-U-R Saturday, D-A-Y day. Saturday. Okay, students, now tell me how many months in a year? There are 12 months in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, LKG, let's do an activity. First of all, we will revise spelling of Friday. Today our written topic is spelling of Friday. F-R-I, fry, D-A-Y, day. Okay, I have some strawberries. You will make spelling of Friday through this. Okay, find your first letter F. Where is F? Is it? No. Is it F? No, it's D. It's A. Yes, here is F. We will place here F. Second letter is R. Where is R? Yes, R is here. F-R-I, fry. Find letter I. Here is letter I. F-R-I, fry. D-A-Y, day. Find where is D? U-Y-D. Yes, here is letter D. F-R-I, fry. D-A-Y, day. Yes, A is here. D-A-Y. Where is letter Y? Yes, letter Y is here. F-R-I fry, D-A-Y day. I hope you all like this activity. Let's move towards our copy work. Okay, LKG, let's start great writing. T-H-U-R-S thirst, T-H-U-R-S thirst, D-A-Y day, Thursday, comma, 17th December, DED BR December, comma, 2020, full stop. Here is spelling of Friday. F-R-I, fry, D-A-Y, day. Make small hook of A. Y write in lower 3 lines. Okay, LKG, after writing like this, you will write like this on complete page and do coloring in this picture. Thank you. Okay, LKG, let's start our rhyme period. Okay, today we will sing these 4 rhymes. Are you ready for singing rhymes? Okay, let's start. Red light. Red light, what do you say? I say stop, stop right away. Yellow light, what do you say? I say start, start right away. Green light, what do you say? I say go, go right away. Thank you, red, yellow, green. Now I know what traffic lights means. Okay, next time we will sing out in the garden. Out in the garden each fine day. With my ball I like to play. I bounce, bounce, bounce. I bounce, bounce, bounce. I bounce, bounce, bounce all each fine day. Out in the garden each fine day. With my doll I like to play. I rock, rock, rock. I rock, rock, rock. I rock, rock, rock all each fine day. Out in the garden each fine day. With my kite I like to play. I fly, fly, fly. I fly, fly, fly. I fly, fly, fly all each fine day. Out in the garden each fine day. Our third rhyme is Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling a lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Okay, LKG, let's move towards our fourth rhyme. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Okay, LKG, better sing these four rhymes on daily basis. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.